Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation. This is Module 1 EDL 850 School Law. My name is Samuel Metellus. To begin, a little bit about myself. I was born in New York City, but I was raised in Haiti. Came back to the US when I was 16 years old. I speak French, Haitian Creole, and English. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Health and Phys Ed. I've been teaching health and phys ed for the past 5 years. I spent 1 year at a middle school and 4 years at the high school level. I'm also currently the JV boys soccer coach at my school. I love to play and watch sports. Currently playing in an over 30s adult soccer league. I currently live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Now on to the content. There are three levels of government. There is the local level, state level, and federal level. First, we're going to start with the local government level. The governing and management of public school by elected or appointed representatives serving on governing bodies such as school boards or school committees that are located in the communities served by the schools. So basically, local government structure are led by a school board that get elected or appointed. Some local municipalities appoint their own school board. They design policies and guidelines, create and adopt curriculum sets by the state, handle school budgets and manage resources, and then they have guidelines for hiring personnel, including superintendent. Then we're going to move on a little higher to the state government. The state are primarily responsible for overseeing public education today. State government determine how much of the budget would be used for education funding, which is typically the largest line item in an annual state budget. So the state is responsible for providing and distributing funds to public schools. The state is also responsible for setting standards for assessment and guidelines for curriculum. The state provide licenses to all school, public, charter, and private school. The state also provide licensing to teachers for public school. It's electing and appointing state and local school board members. Now move on to the bigger picture, the federal government. Their mission is to promote students' achievement and preparation for global competitiveness by fostering educational excellence and ensuring equal access. So the federal government is there to ensure all students has a right to equal education opportunity, including anyone from the protected classes. Uh, use some federal funding to fund schools. They use about 8% of their budget. Conduct research, support improvement for state and local education. They create policies related to education funding. Now, the school district that I work at, North Penn School District School Boards. The school board is very diverse with 9 members, 5 females, 4 males, and 2 non-members. Promote success and well-being of students and adults by sponsoring an environment that prepares students to be college and career ready and to respect values and include diverse peoples. The board manages school district by establishing policies and administrative regulation. Appropriate technology will be evaluated by the technology department. School board communicate by holding meetings in person and virtually on Zoom. Residents can watch the meeting live on TV and it will be recorded and posted on North Penn TV YouTube page. School uses committees as organizational system to break down responsibilities. Board policies pages that define laws, rights, and policies that promote success. School programs will be collecting data to determine effectiveness. My personal experiences with the two level of government. Let's start with the federal. I had to get a federal clearance from the FBI before I received my teaching license in Pennsylvania. I must abide by all federal guidelines as a public school educator. That's how I think the federal government is impacting me. At the state level, I received my teaching license through the Pennsylvania State Education. They have their own requirement compared to the other states. All sort of tests that you have to take before you become a certified teacher. I also had to receive state clearance from the Pennsylvania State Police during my background clearance. At the local level, the school board had to approve my hiring. The school board votes on changes within our curriculum, schedules, and policies. Standard correlation. My submission of this assignment is related to the standard PL 06 because I had to interact with readings to learn more about school level governance and operational system that is applicable to laws in public school education. I will arrange those terms in the following order. I will put communication first, then management, then technology, then operations, system. After communication is key. Without effective communication, any system will fail. If you don't have good communication, no one will be on the same page. Then a proper management is necessary to carry out the school mission, such vision statements. Then technology is crucial, especially nowadays with artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. School must stay updated with current trends. Lastly, after having the first two in place, school must have a great operating system in place that will continue to carry out the school mission and vision statement. Relevancy. This assignment is relevant to my current learning because I work in a public education system. It is crucial for me to understand the roles of the three levels of government and what they play in public education. I know that I work at the local government level, which was supported by the readings. This assignment further reinforced my understanding of the two levels of government and what the specific roles are in education. Even though public education is mainly a local and state government issue, federal government can step in and make sure no federal laws are being violated, such as discrimination and other unfair practices. It was also interesting reading about the different cases in the readings, for example, Brown versus Board of Ed. Reflection. Moving forward, this assignment will change the way that I teach and learn by making me more aware of the impact of the two levels of government has on public education, how those local laws, state laws, and federal laws are affecting our students and public education. I think this assignment will impact my decision as a future school leader in two ways. First, as a future school leader, I will make sure my staff know the three level of government and their roles in public education. Also, I will make sure my staff knows the members of the school board and explore their policies, mission, and vision for the school. Before this assignment, I heard about our school board member, but I wasn't aware of their names and the dynamic of the school board. So I was glad this assignment made me look up the different school board member. I was able to see their picture and I was able to read information about the different school board members. So this was pretty cool. And those are my references. Thank you.